Hi, this is Zak Mir with a weekly cryptocurrency review in terms of the best rises of the week. Starting off with Shift, and here you can see there's been progress within this rising trend channel, one that's been in place since July. Top of that channel, which is equating currently with the spike of the week towards 14 cents. So we've had a bit of a pullback from there, but at least while we're above the 8 cents area, or the 6 to 8 cents band, then we are looking for a retest of 14 to 15 cents, hopefully by the end of this month. But the power of this week's rally on this particular market echoed in the other cryptos that we'll be looking at today. Next one is one that's also on the front foot, Space ID. Massive spike there, breaking that line of resistance there from May last year around the 33 cents area. We've obviously nearly doubled that in terms of the peak, and looking for an initial target there around 76 cents, possibly as high as $1 by the end of this month. Ideally, we stay on the right side of 50 cents. Obviously, that sort of mathematically ties in with a potential $1 target. Moving along to another crypto rather, which is on the front foot. It's Mantra, and beautiful progression here. Here you can see that we've basically gone up in a sort of almost elliptical type of price action there. The top of the channel is obviously something of a movable feast at the moment, but looking for probably something towards 55 cents. That suggests we're sort of near to the halfway mark of the current rally, or just above that. Nice tight bull flag there over the last 3 sessions, and the view at the moment is that while we're above the basically recent resistance on the way up around 23 cents, we could head up to that 55 cents area as soon as the end of this month, or even sooner than that. So beautiful looking chart there on Mantra. Next up, another situation which looks as though it will continue to have legs, Syntropy. Here we've already had the very strong rally from below the 5 cent mark, but top of that rising trend channel heading towards a notional $20 cents target, which it was $20, and that's valid while we're above recent resistance from January around the 12 cent mark, so above 12, looking for a relatively easy 20 cents there on Syntropy by the end of this month. Another situation which hopefully will have legs is Numbers Protocol. Here we've got a potential triangle rebound, so bouncing off the floor of the triangle there from December, breaking the 50-day line at 4 cents, and above that looking for up to the 8 cent area. Upside valid while we hold above that 50-day moving average. Now another crypto is on its way now, and here we've got Coti versus the US dollar. Here, rising trend channel. Looks like a mid-move consolidation here, tight bull flag over the last 3 sessions, waiting for a move towards 13 or 14 cents at the top of that rising trend channel from back in November. Old resistance around the 8 cent mark, and hoping that and the floor of the rising trend channel at that level will be the support for this crypto, ideally hitting 14 well before the end of this month. Another crypto which looks like it's living up to its name is Superfarm, and well, at least a super part rather. Here we've got a beautiful breakout after that sideways consolidation from the beginning of December. Top of the rising trend channel here at $1.20, and we're looking for that while we remain above the 80 cents mark. And ideally that is something which will remain in place. If we have to go down, it would be down towards the floor of the rising trend channel from November at 65 cents. But at the moment it looks as though we've got a clear run to $1.20 by the end of this month. Another riser in the near term is coming up, and it's FIO protocol. Here we have the spike through 5 cents, hoping that any support here will be at around 3.5 cents, and we can head up from there after the extended consolidation. Top of that rising trend channel base as high as 7 cents, which hopefully again will be in place by, or at least hit by, the end of this month. Interesting setup coming up at Paal AI, and here we can see that the market has spiked up after consolidating over the post-November period. I suppose you can add in a trend line that I'm just about to do now, so that is around 14 cents in terms of the break. Above 14, we're looking for up to 28 cents by the end of this month within that rising trend channel in this case from back in October. On to the last three, and the first one is MC versus the US dollar. Again, another consolidation breakout. We can draw a line of resistance there from back in December. That was broken around the $2.10 level, and above that we're looking for up to $3.50 by the end of this month. So a lot of these charts, similar sort of setup, either consolidation and up or just a straight vertical line over the last few days. Finishing off with this situation here, which is Beam, and here we've had a breakout over the last few sessions, and that suggests that we're going to make a journey towards the top of that rising trend channel from back in November, as high as 3.5 cents by the end of this month, especially while we remain above recent resistance around the 2 cent mark. So let's see if Beam can deliver the goods. That's it from me today. More updates during the week.